Yoga for Peace and Harmony. Every year 21st June is observed as International Yoga Day. This year's theme will be Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. This year the activities are confined to home because of the current pandemic. However, people will be able to join Yoga Day celebrations through digital media. Similarly, Indian missions and people abroad are trying to reach out to the people through digital media. Besides, through My Life, My Yoga video blogging competition was launched by the Prime Minister on May 31st, and Ministry of Ayush and ICCR of India seeks to raise awareness about yoga and to inspire people to prepare for and become active participants in the observation of International Day of Yoga 2020. The idea of International Yoga Day was first proposed by Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, on September 27, 2014, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly, where a resolution to establish June 21st as International Yoga Day. HealthScan wishes the best health on this occasion. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.